DeFi Darius, Digital Asset Junkie TV. Thank you guys so much for kicking it with me. Today we're talking about Internet Computer Protocol, all right? The block Internet Computer Protocol is amazing, and I'm going to talk more about that in this video. We need to load up on Internet Computer Protocol. Let's not play. I'm going to give you 3 reasons, well, more than 3, of why you should load up on Internet Computer Protocol. All right, but before we get into that, please go to my X account. Please give me a follow. I much appreciate it, you guys. Come on now, you guys know how I am, man. Please give me a follow on X so we can talk shit and we can retweet each other's stuff. Come on, man. I am not stingy. Shout out to Internet Computer Protocol. You understand me? You guys, $4.79 or $4.97, anything below $5, anything below $20 for Internet Computer Protocol is a steal. All right? It is a steal. Internet Computer Protocol is one of the only blockchains that you can actually use the tech. You can use the tech. You guys know me. When it comes to digital assets, it's all about staking. All right? If you're not, if there's a few meme coins that I hold, all right? And there's a few other coins that I hold that I'm not staking, all right, that I'm not holding long term, but I am a long-term investor, all right? All right? I like to flip stuff, but I like to stake, all right? So when it comes to staking, Internet Computer Protocol is the one, all right? Do you understand? Internet Computer Protocol is the blockchain for creators. Internet Computer Protocol is the blockchain for entrepreneurs. Internet Computer Protocol is the blockchain for developers, all right? Internet Computer Protocol is the blockchain for investors, all right? So one reason why Internet Computer Protocol is so dominant is because of chain fusion, all right? That's one of the reasons, all right? So let's listen to this guy right here.
And that's one of the reasons also why we're building on ICP, due to the chain fusion, and instead of using like a bridge as an external dependency or security breach and stuff like that, we see this as a more secure solution for that, and to be able to add any asset from any chain, because that's really what the end game for this token is for.
All right, so you heard what he said, to add any asset to the chain. All right, how many of you guys got, especially if you want to especially if you want to stake your account, all right, you have your if you don't want to hold your tokens on an exchange like crypto.com, Uphold, or Binance, Coinbase, any platform, right? If you don't want to hold it there, you can hold it, like let's say if you have Solana tokens, you can hold it on the Solana Web3 profile. You can hold Internet Computer on the NNS, okay? That's the network nervous system on Internet Computer Protocol. Ethereum, the same thing. What chain fusion is, you can augment all of your assets from one place, all right? That's why I say Internet Computer Protocol is the blockchain for creators, it's a blockchain for developers, and it's definitely the blockchain for investors, all right? Do you guys get it? A lot of people, I don't know, staking is not super big right now in the mainstream because crypto is just now becoming mainstream, all right? Do you guys understand? Staking, in my opinion, is APR on steroids. You get it? All right. So let's talk to Mr. Pierre Samatis. Am I saying that right? Samatis? Whatever. Let's listen to Pierre talk more about Internet Computer Protocol.
The past 6, 7, 8 months, we get more and more interest from institutional players, from governments, enterprises, and so on. We decided that now is the best time to set up the ICP Alliance, which is an enterprise implementation partnership. We already have, on launch day, already 12 partners, which are development shops, consulting companies, security companies, that are now selling ICP tech and implementing ICP tech with their respective clients. And the benefits of being part of the alliance is that, number one, they're vetted from our end, so there's a bit of a stamp of approval as well for clients that want to engage with them, but also they have priority access to our R&D team. They see the tech first, makes it much more easy for them to roll out whatever application they've built. Let's say one of our implementation partners in the Middle East, they're building a document management system, and it's going to run on mainnet and might also run on Utopia. Through the alliance, they can kind of market that application into other regions of the world. All in all, I think it's a very important puzzle piece for enterprise adoption of the ICP tech. It is actually a process, so you can go to dfinity.org/alliance, where you see the entire process. You can contact us, and then there's a KYC check, there's the usual kind of checks and balances, and then there's a committee that's going to basically slot you in, whether you're a member or whether you're a partner, basically. Partner is for the more advanced companies that already have a track record in building ICP tech. The wallet market is a very important market, right?
All right, so this guy right here, he's going to talk about the wallet market, all right? Listen closely. I'm going to rewind it just a little bit so we can hear everything he's saying.
Track record in building ICP tech. The wallet market is a very important market, right? Because on the one hand, I think it's clear to all of us by now that the digital asset market in general will only continue to rise. And that's cryptos like Bitcoin, ICP, but that is also going to be real world assets and in particular stable coins. At the moment, if we look at it, there's only one way, and that is up in terms of demand, which means we're going to have a lot of people that need to deal with digital assets in the future. On the other hand, if I look at the wallet market today, the non-custodial wallet market is absolutely not ready for people using it on a mass adoption scale. It uses a security model that we believe must be dramatically improved. What we developed is the OISI wallet. We incubated this at the DFINITY Foundation, which is a wallet purely designed for humans. So it's a very sleek and super simple UI that anyone can use and understand. It is multi-chain because we also believe that you cannot put the burden on users to use different wallets for different chains. And here comes the...
And that's how I feel. That's how I feel when I'm investing in Solana, when I'm investing in Internet Computer Protocol, in SUI, in Ethereum, all right? If I'm going to stake, if I'm going to hold my digital assets that's not on the chain, all right, where do we hold them at? All right, and the Internet Computer Protocol is solving that problem, all right?
The Internet Computer Chain Fusion technology, which allows you to basically store and manage all of your digital assets from underlying ICP tech. The third one, and that is an important one in the background, is the security model is network custody. With custodial wallets, you have the problem that obviously you don't own the keys, right? And we've seen that not turning out very well in the past multiple times. With non-custodial wallets, you'll put the burden completely on the user to have their private keys on their machine, to store their seed phrase. You know how many hackers are already hunting for these seed phrases with very sophisticated attacks. And by the way, and these things often also happen through malicious code in browser extensions, through malicious code in apps. We decided to build OISI, a wallet that uses network custody. So your keys are stored by the network through advanced cryptography. It's now upon a few days.
Come on, man. So I'm going to stop them right there, you guys. Ultimately, what Internet Computer Protocol is doing is making it easier on the user. Everybody is afraid of all these seed phrases and site keys, 23 phrases, 23 words, 23 letter passcodes, and all that old crazy shit. All right. Internet Computer Protocol is making it easier. All right. Not only that, Internet Computer Protocol also has the internet identification. Now, if you guys are using Internet Computer Blockchain, if you're staking, or if you guys are going on the internet, you guys have to create a ID, and the ID makes it super easy for me to get into my Internet Computer Protocol wallet. You guys get what do you guys get what Internet Computer Protocol is doing? They're making it easy. All right, they're doing stuff that Apple is doing. All right. So I don't know, man. You guys let me know, man. And actually, let me not let you go yet. So I think I gave you two reasons why, and that's Chain Fusion, All right. Man, what else? What other reason? I don't know. You guys, I'm new to this shit, man. Please holler at me if you guys remember anything. If I mess up anything, please hit me up in the comments. Don't be shy. All right. But before you hit me in the comments, don't be disrespectful. Please wipe your feet off and hit the like button. You guys, thank you guys so much for sitting. DeFi Darius.